Mastering overcoming imposter syndrome. You can't escape the crushing weight of unrealistically high expectations. Where can I find effective strategies for managing the pressure to constantly perform and produce, in order to alleviate the burden of always feeling like I need to meet exceptionally high standards? One effective strategy for managing the pressure to constantly perform and produce is to set realistic goals and expectations. This involves recognizing that exceptionally high standards are often unrealistic and unsustainable, and that it's essential to prioritize achievable targets that align with your strengths, resources, and priorities. Start by breaking down large goals into smaller, manageable tasks, and focus on making progress rather than striving for perfection. Another approach is to adopt a growth mindset, where you view challenges and failures as opportunities for growth and learning, rather than as threats to your ego or reputation. This mindset shift helps you recognize that nobody is perfect, and that even the most accomplished individuals experience setbacks and mistakes. By embracing a growth mindset, you can focus on developing your skills and expertise, rather than feeling overwhelmed by the pressure to perform. Additionally, it's crucial to prioritize self-care and stress management techniques, such as meditation, exercise, or journaling, to help mitigate the emotional toll of imposter syndrome. By taking care of your physical and emotional well-being, you can reduce feelings of anxiety and burnout, and improve your overall resilience in the face of pressure and criticism. Furthermore, it's essential to recognize that you don't have to go it alone. Surround yourself with a support network of trusted colleagues, mentors, or friends who can offer guidance, encouragement, and constructive feedback. By sharing your concerns and fears with others, you can gain valuable insights and perspectives that can help you reframe your challenges and develop more realistic expectations. Another effective strategy is to focus on the process rather than the outcome. Instead of fixating on the end result, concentrate on the steps you need to take to get there, and celebrate your small wins along the way. This approach helps you stay present, focused, and motivated, rather than getting bogged down in worries about the future or regrets about the past. It's also vital to recognize that perfection is an unattainable myth, and that good enough is, well, good enough. Embrace the concept of done is better than perfect, and avoid getting stuck in an endless cycle of self-criticism and revision. By adopting this mindset, you can learn to let go of unrealistic expectations and focus on delivering high-quality work that meets your standards, rather than striving for an unattainable ideal. Furthermore, it's essential to develop a sense of purpose and meaning that goes beyond your performance or achievements. By connecting with your values, passions, and long-term goals, you can find a sense of direction and fulfillment that isn't tied to external validation or recognition. This helps you stay grounded and motivated, even in the face of pressure and criticism, and enables you to maintain a sense of perspective and balance. Another effective strategy is to reframe negative self-talk and catastrophic thinking. Challenge your inner critic by reframing unrealistic or unhelpful thoughts into more constructive and realistic ones. For example, instead of thinking I'll never meet this deadline, tell yourself I'll do my best to meet this deadline, and I can always ask for help if I need it. By adopting a more positive and realistic thought pattern, you can reduce feelings of anxiety and self-doubt, and improve your overall mental well-being. Finally, it's crucial to recognize that it's okay to ask for help and support when you need it. Don't be afraid to request feedback, guidance, or resources from others, and be willing to acknowledge your limitations and weaknesses. By embracing your vulnerabilities, you can develop a more realistic and grounded sense of your abilities, and find ways to compensate for areas where you need improvement. By implementing these strategies, you can develop a more sustainable and realistic approach to managing pressure and performance, and alleviate the burden of always feeling like you need to meet exceptionally high standards.